Looking to build a website quickly without learning to code? Most people get this wrong. But here's why GoDaddy's website templates might or might not be the right choice. GoDaddy offers hundreds of pre-designed templates for businesses, blogs, and portfolios. When I tried them, the setup was impressively fast. You pick a template, add your content, and your website is live in minutes. The drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, making it ideal for beginners. The surprising truth is how mobile-friendly these templates are. Each one adapts automatically to smartphones and tablets, which is essential since over half of all web traffic comes from mobile devices. You also get access to built-in SEO tools and hosting, so you don't need to manage separate services. However, there are limitations. Customization is somewhat restricted compared to platforms like WordPress. You can't freely change all design elements or add advanced plugins. If you want a completely unique website with complex functionality, GoDaddy might feel too limiting. Pricing is another factor. While it's convenient to have hosting and templates bundled, the subscription can be higher than DIY hosting and theme setups, especially if you scale your website. In conclusion, GoDaddy website templates are perfect for beginners or small businesses that need a simple, attractive site fast. They are easy to use, mobile-ready, and come with support, but power users may find them restrictive. Subscribe for more honest reviews of website builders and digital tools.